Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today I show you how to repair a proper ding with the great help of this guy, Arte in the background. So hit the intro, enjoy the video. So welcome back guys, it's really exciting to talk about this episode because a lot of you guys have dings in their surfboards. Or you got against something and you need to get that fixed. So first of all, there's a misconception I think in the surfer world. If you want to do a small ding repair, you could go for the kind of brands like Solarres. It will dry really quick in the sun, but you have to see it more as duct tape. So it's like for a tiny ding, you can put it on and you're fine for that day. But if you want to have it better repaired, then go to a local shaper like Art. So furthermore, first, safety first, like in the surf skate videos and in surfing as well, with the head protection like I talked in the Don't Be Scared of Surfing Anymore, link is probably up here. First of all, get a mask, because of the resin we use later. It's really highly toxic and not good for your lungs and your nose. So please wear a mask. Also, when you sand it off, those really tiny dust particles, even when you shape outside or you repair outside, you should always get a mask. With no further ado, let's check out what others do.
First of all, don't worry about all the equipment, because Art is a professional, so he has way more gear. I will explain step by step what kind of gear you need and what to do. For the first part, you need some sanding paper to sand off the parts around the ding, to make it open, and so you can fill it later with the necessary resin. First of all, start with 80 grit and go to 100 grit. Really important, sand around the ding at least 3 centimeters with 180. For the second step, you need some tape. So now tape off the ding. Make sure there are no gaps or openings, otherwise the resin will go through it. For step number 3, we need a filler. So a filler is a mix of epoxy or polyester resin, depending which board you have. And we need some micro balloons, because micro balloons help you with really good filling the ding hole perfectly. Use some harder and mix everything together. Fill it in and wait. In this step or in the last step with the hot coat, you can put in some pigments to make the ding color depending which color your board has.
Oh, okay, small coffee break, let's go. Enough coffee. We're gonna check out if the microballoon, the resin is dry, and I will show you the last steps before you have your ding repaired. So,
in step 4, you have to sand off the resin from the ding. Use 80 and 100, and of course if you have, use a machine. In step 5, we need some fiberglass to laminate and glass the ding repair. First of all, cut out some pieces which are 1.5 to 2 centimeters bigger than the ding which you have to repair. Afterwards, you use a brush and put the hot coat over the fiberglass. A brush is way easier to use, so you have it evenly and perfectly over your fiberglass. In step 7, you just have to sand it off. You sand off the fiberglass, really important, it's different. We start from 120, 320, we go over 400 to even 600 grit, and at the end put some water on and sand it wet. So we call it also wet sanding. That's it, that's all you have to do. And afterwards you will have a great success and fun in the water with your ding repaired.
So guys, thanks for joining this video. I hope you learned something and you know how to repair your ding professionally now. Secondly, if you want ever a custom board or want to have some repairing done here in Holland, check out Ad's Instagram. It's in the description below if you're not already did. Also, to improve your surfing, get your own surf companions. Link is in the description below. And thirdly, if you're not already did, subscribe to the channel. We provide you with surf knowledge and it will guarantee improve your surfing in the future. So if you want to become a better surfer, hit like and subscribe. Leave a comment below if we could do better or you have some nice ideas. Nevertheless, see you next time. Daniel from the Surf Companions.